Hello everyone. This is again Ilangovan here, the professor from the Department of Aerospace Engineering, SNS College of Technology, and I am here to continue with an explanation on an introduction to IELTS uh, English Proficiency Software examination. This is required for students who are going to for higher studies abroad to various countries, and this forms a part of the syllabus of 19 GEB 380, the higher studies in India and abroad for the track 3 students. Okay, so this is what it is. I had actually given a previous phase, the first phase of this IELTS, and this is the second phase of the same. Okay, so let's get started. We were talking about the various kinds of questions or the sections, how they contain, and what is that they expect you during each of this phase. Now, in the listening phase, we have a normal conversation between two people, often on the phone, and one person talking in everyday context, and two or three or four people taking in talking in an academic setting. A monologue, usually a lecture in the academic context or a university. All these different kinds of listening exercises will be given. The skills that is assessed is that you will be tested for your ability to understand the main ideas and specific details, info opinions, and recognize the ideas, and then follow a conversation. Okay, so this is the main idea behind the this listening one. In the reading one, okay, there are multiple choice, okay, true, false, and then identifying the views, then matching the headings, etc. This is be there for 60 minutes, and the number of questions will be around 40, and this it has three sections and up to 2,750 words. Now, the kind of text that they're going to give is that they are non-specialist reading passages taken from magazines, books, journals, and newspapers. Academic topics of general interest will be given, which will be descriptive, factual, discursive, and argumentative. One will contain a logical argument. Many contains diagrams and images. Now, this is what the students are expected to understand the diagram, the pie chart, the histogram chart, how do you interpret the information out of these things. That we'll have to understand. Notes are given. If difficult words, that is technical terms, are included, a glossary is given with definition. No extra time is allowed for answer or for answer transfer. So each question carries 1 mark. Now the glossary you may have to really go through in case of some very technical, words are given. An explanation is generally given. The IELTS reading tip: no, spend more than one, no, not more than 1 minute answering each question. 1 minute, 40 questions are for 40 minutes. Then 15 minutes reading and 5 minutes for checking. So that is what you'll have to base your 60 minutes off. The reading skills, you should be able to do the following. The reading for the main idea, you must know how to skim and then understand the main idea. Reading for the details there, understanding the subtle ideas, then recognizing the opinions of various um, people who have contributed to the text. So in general, these are some of the tips that has been taken from the internet. Don't read everything and focus on the question based reading. Make use of skimming. Just go through, browse over the text to gain an overall view of the written text. Exercise the skill of scanning to trace specific details. Then mark the keywords to find the answers quickly. Put paraphrasing to use to comprehend similar meanings, words, and collocations. Avoid spelling mistakes and look out for grammatical errors. Manage those 60 minutes effectively by moving on from a difficult question quickly and returning to it later. Always attempt the multiple choice questions even when you don't know the exact answer. Abide by the rules by going through the IELTS reading instructions cautiously. Pay attention to the word limitations to avoid losing marks on the limit. So in the writing, it is for 60 minutes, and then there are two sections. The word count that will be used as 150 word for task 1 and around 250 words for task 2. Now, in the task 1, describe a table, chart, graph, illustration, diagram, or a map, and then you spend around 20 minutes on this. Task 2, respond to a prompt asking for an argument or a point of view with an essay. Spend about 40 minutes on this. So that makes up the 1 hour. The level of test is once you get the scores, it will be this is how it is going to be there. IELTS is designed to assess the English language skills across a wide range of levels. There is no such thing as pass or fail in IELTS. Results are reported as band scores on scale from 1 to 9, and 9 is the highest. So 9 becomes a expert user, 8 is a very good user, 7 is a good user, 6 is a competent user, and that will be the benchmark that people generally keep there. Then 5 is a modest user, 4 is a limited user, 3 is an extremely limited user, 2 is the independent user, and non-user is number 1. 0 is do not attempt the test. So this is where it is like students are being advised to go through the various material that is available on the internet and get themselves prepared for the test. Okay, so thank you very much. We'll see once again on another video regarding the higher education. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Thank you.